Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss how to unbox HPE ProLiant DL380 Generation 10 server. Friends, this is a very good machine and it's used as a enterprise level, also used as a medium level organizations. It has very wonderful functions like it has a processor speed 3.8 GHz, maximum dependent on processor, optical drive, and it has two processor. Its weight is 28 to 58 lb maximum, and some also other very wonderful feature. It's also supported by the fiber card. We can also connect with through fiber for storage. Friends, this machine is a very brand new, and if you see its internal view, it has a very strong cooling system and some other features. It has 16 memory slot and maximum memory supports 1 TB to 1 TB with 64 GB DDR4. Processor cache 8.25 to 35.75, and some other features, good features have supported this machine. Now we are going to unbox this machine. This is the box. We have some machines of this generation. Now we are going to unbox this machine. First of all, this box, as you are seeing, this is a real kit from which we are going to mount with server rack, and I will show you the rail kit. This is the rail kit, which are sports server with server rack. And this one are the cables, railing cables, from which we are pull and push the server. When we want to pull the server, this will be extend the cables, and this is the server. This is supported with these are the cables, different types of cables. These are the additional cables like which are used in internal server, like red card or some other cards. Now these are the power cables, and this is silicone gel. Now we are removing the sponge and other sheet wrap, plastic wrap. This is the front view of the server. Here you see it has supports different hard drives, and this is the back view of the server. It has two power supplies, redundant power supply. We can easily remove and then insert, and these are LAN cards, USB cards, VGA cables, and these are the fiber channel for data storage, and these are different options. If we open this server, we are see like this, and if we remove the cover from fan, these are the fans which are high speed fan which are cooling the system, motherboard and processor. These are processor and heatsink. These are the power supply and RAMs. These are the RAMs. This is the internal view of the server. HP ProLiant DL180 Generation 10. If we see the whole view of the internal server, this looks like in this way. Friend, this is a very good machine. I hope that you will also, this will be very helpful for you if you purchase this machine. Okay, bye.